Hi everyone, Louise here from NKD Waxing. I'm just making a video for you all today to give you some hints and tips on how to manage your facial hair whilst the salon is closed. Our first recommendation would always be to either leave the hair alone, or if you're concerned about the darkness of the hair, is to bleach it. And once the salon is open, you can then have a professional facial wax with us again. If you are getting overly concerned about the length of the hair and you did want to try a DIY home waxing kit, then I want to give you some hints and tips on how to do that safely at home. So first of all, you need to make sure you've cleansed the skin properly, so using your everyday cleanser, making sure you wipe over them with some damp cotton pads, and then to finish with some dry pads. You're going to take your wax in strips, so the ones that I'm using today are a Veet brand. They're really easy to find in most supermarkets. I'm just going to warm the strip by rubbing it in between the palms of my hands. The longer you can do this, the better, because it'll help to melt the wax, and therefore the wax will grip the hairs better. Don't ever use the wax strips cold. Just going to separate your strips. We're going to place the strip on and press in the direction of the hair growth. And then we will remove against, making sure we stretch. So I can see it has taken out some of the hairs, but as I feel over, I can feel that it has left some there. I wouldn't recommend you go over again. You probably will find with these strips they're not as strong as the wax we use in the salon, and therefore it won't remove all of your facial hair. You may find that the really stronger, tougher hairs will remain in place. Just going to do the same again on this side for you. Now, one thing I noticed the difference with these strips compared to when I have the wax done in the salon, it feels really tingly now, which I'm not really used to. Feels a little bit, almost a bit stingy feeling. So I'm going to go straight ahead with the after wax cleansing strip that's in the packs as well that you'll buy from the supermarket. This will just help to calm and soothe the skin, which you will need after these strips, and also it will help to remove any wax residue. Also, just to remember, don't overly touch the area, avoid any hot baths and showers, any sun exposure. Be careful if you're swimming or in a steam room or anything like that that could cause excessive heat in the area, because the hair follicles are open now and the skin will be a little bit sensitive, so just be careful with that. If you've got any aloe gel or any of our tea tree based products, you can apply that after a wax. That will calm and soothe the skin. And like I said, don't worry if there is hair remaining. Quite normal after using home waxing strips. Just remember not to keep going over the area, because that will just cause further irritation. Remember our first recommendation, just leave the hair, try and embrace your new look. If you want to lighten, we would recommend to bleach the hair, and if you did want to try the home waxing kits, just follow the tips that I've given you today. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share and comment, and we look forward to getting in touch again soon with some more hints and tips.